Good evening, YouTubers. Over the summer, I bought a couple pressure washers at different garage sales. I finally got around to hooking one of them up and trying it out. I figured this one I'll do first because it's electric and I'll have to mess around with gas or oil. And that works pretty darn good. I got some gaskets for the little hose gaskets for the end. And I got a bunch of flower pots I gotta clean out. I got them in one of the dog pools. So I'm gonna give this a shot and go for the hose. It helps if I turn it on. Oh yeah, that's what I call cleaning power. More power. It's a good thing. I'm glad I got my glasses on for safety. Getting some blowback. I'm gonna love this new toy for cleaning up. I got all these dirty paving blocks. I bet that'll clean them up. I'm enjoying this new toy. I'm gonna be doing some more cleaning tomorrow. God bless the YouTubers. Clean up.